Hello, I'm Danny, welcome to BHP Cars, and today we are back in my messy garage. I haven't done any video updates for a while because I've been in hospital with viral meningitis, so it's not very nice. But what I have been doing though, and I came a couple of times without the camcorder, so didn't update. Right, so we made a mount to go in this space here, if you remember, right? Anyway, I tried replicating it with all the bushes and it just didn't work. So I've had a rethink, and I bodged this together. So this is a dummy mount. It's the same thickness as the one that's going in. Basically, I've made this. It's coming off. There's 2 bolts, 2 studs in there. I've got a plate that's going on here, matching up. And basically, hopefully that's going to work. I've also got that one down there to sort out and tidy up and make it look pretty. But yeah, we're kind of getting there. I think the engine's sitting in the right place. It might need a bit of a fettle and a tweak as I tack this in place. But I did notice though, when the box section on this is 1mm thick, so it's very thin. And when I was welding it yesterday, because I found some of this stuff here, I kept blowing holes in it. So I'm not really too keen now welding into the frame, but I'll have to just do what I can do and we'll just make it work. So this is the other part of the ramps. It's all just tacked up in place. It was quite hard getting that angle right, hence lots of splodgy, crappy, tacky MIG welding. So yeah, so this basically is going. This basically is going under there. Under there like so, and then it'd be tacked in down there and down there, and I've got an angle that's being cut down here to make it look a little bit neater. But one thing we're making mounts is I've always learned is to leave as much, quite a bit spare, because your ideas and concepts change over time, and yeah, they evolve, shall we say, and then you don't want to have to be remaking it because you haven't left quite enough space. But yeah, so basically we are, so I'm adding in some webbing at the moment. So that's going to sit about there, and then I've got a bit of metal to go. I've got a cut, which is the right angle. Hang on, get you on shot, sorry, I'm trying to do. So that's then going to sit somewhere like there, and then that will support that edge then, and then I've just got to TIG weld it all up and then cut the excess off and stuff. And yeah, so that's kind of where we're at. Yeah, and then once that's in place, all we've got to do is make up a new one of these dog legs down here and drop in a bracket to take that, and then that's kind of it. I think on the engine mount front, I'm hoping anyway, I might make an extra one down here to pick up. I might put more in, I don't know, but at the moment I just need to get it so it's somewhere there near and not moving anywhere, because I'm fed up with every time I move the car or the engine moves, and I've got to then spend ages remeasuring before I can do any other work on it. So, but yeah, these mounts have taken far too long. I was expecting to only take a few days, but it's been a long time, and also it's because I'm kind of making it up as I go along. But yeah, so right, I'm gonna crack on. I'll give you an update if there's anything worth talking about. Yeah, the joys. Anyway, switch soon. Bye. Right, so this is the mount all chopped in. TIG welding's not too bad. If it'll focus. Come on. Is it gonna focus? Yeah, not too bad. So we're getting there. Just got one line of TIG to run now across the top, and then yeah, we're good. And I've just got to tidy up, grind off these edges square and stuff, and then that can be tacked in place in the car, and that's the mounts all finished then. Yeah, we're getting there, slowly but surely. So the engine mount is in, it's all welded. The welds aren't that neat, they're strong, but because this is 1mm box, I just got to be careful with the heat, so I was being a bit gay with it really. But it's all in, the engine's back in. I took the engine out just to get this weld in nicely around there, and then I took the wheel off to do that. I've taken the mount off down here, and that's because I'm going to strengthen it all, and then the only mount to make now is the one that goes here, but it's actually going to go here instead. That's what I'm going to make polyurethane bushes. And then I've got to start looking at the stabilising the top of the engine, so that's going to be a bracket down the back here somewhere. But we're kind of getting now that once this mount is in place and that mount's in place, the engine can't move anywhere. So that is the major part of the major part of the whole build really, because the rest of it's a piece of piss. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'm sorry these updates aren't that good and there's not much actual action happening, but an update is an update, and I'll try and do a bit more when I'm not as pressured to get stuff done. So anyway, stick around, join the video, and I'll catch you all very soon. Bye.